3 runs for these two teams. The Phillies lead 14-9. They've been paced by Milt Thompson and Lenny Dykstra. They've combined to drive in 9. Dykstra has scored 4 times. Thompson has scored once.
I love this place.
Think about how you'll spend your life. 24.5 years sleeping, 3.1 years eating, 2.4 years.
What do you write to it like mail?
No, a lot of people use it and communicate with, I guess they can communicate with NBC writers and producers. Allison, can you explain what internet is?
No, she can't say anything in 10 seconds or less.
Oh.
What's causing Jerry to have
B.O.
Unbelievable B.O. And it's destroying the lives of everyone in its path.
a potent all-new Seinfeld, NBC Thursday.
You stink.
En hy kom vir ons af en verkeer is maar net ons. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Buildings and houses destroyed.